What's going on, guys? What you're about to see is the first moto vlog. I had to make some tweaks to microphone placement, so some of the audio in this is going to have some wind noise. I had to kind of jump back and forth between the GoPro mic and the wired mic I had in through my helmet. So tweaks to be made, a lot of things I got to change and things I'm going to do better moving forward, but it's a learning curve and hope you enjoy it. First video vlog riding a Grom. I'm curious about how this setup is going to work because, of course, GoPro, I'll tell you what, I'm disappointed with GoPro because everywhere they are sold out of the little dongle that hooks into your GoPro so you can hook in a microphone. So without that, I got to rig up my microphones into my phone. Now what I gotta do is gotta pick up a couple tools for some of the projects I'm gonna be doing here, stretching it out, doing all that stuff. There's a couple little things I don't have. Before I get into that, I just want to talk about, so GoPro. Everywhere is sold out. GoPro themselves is sold out of that little thing. So now I gotta rig up my microphone. I'm concerned about what the audio is going to sound like with this exhaust. So now, the problem is, the exhaust sounds great, but inside the helmet, it drones pretty good. I mean, at certain rev ranges, certain RPMs, I got a pretty decent drone going on. I got two things I need to do. I got to go to Harbor Freight. I go check Harbor Freight first, and then I'm going to be going to Home Depot if I can't get what I need at Harbor Freight. And I know there's going to be people out there that say, Harbor Freight, you know, waste of money, junk tools, whatever it is. But I'll tell you what, I dig Harbor Freight. I'm not going to buy any power tools from Harbor Freight, but anything like hand tools, anything I'm not using all the time, I mean, I'll get from Harbor Freight. So all I need is like a socket wrench. I need a set of socket wrenches, of the hex bit socket wrenches. I don't have one. I don't have that, and I just feel like it'd just be a lot easier to do. So when we do these handlebars, it'd just be a lot easier with some hex bit sockets. Doing the stretch kit and eventually doing the fatty tire kit, which, you know, there's a couple little tools I don't have. Like I need a 36mm socket. I mean, I don't have a 36mm socket. I got like your standard socket wrench sets. So you need to pick up that, which I don't think they're going to have here at Harbor Freight. So I'm probably going to have to go to Home Depot for that so I can just buy one socket and not a whole set somewhere. So I'm going to do that, see what they got in here. I also need probably a front wheel chock, because with the front wheel chock, it'll be a lot easier for me to, when I do that, the swing arm or the front tire setup, I'll be able to not worry about the front tire wobbling around everywhere. Same thing with the handlebars. And here at Harbor Freight, they got them. It's like, you know, 12 bucks or whatever it is. So I'm going to check those out too. Of course, I got the Harbor Freight coupons. So let's get inside Harbor Freight and see what they got going on. All right, here at the good old Harbor Freight. So what I'm looking for is a front wheel chock and some socket stuff. Got my good old flyers here. So not where I need to be. So alright, $12.99. I think what I could do is just pop this up against the wall and not have to worry about bolting it in. I got a coupon. Got a coupon for these. think it's like $5. This, I wouldn't have to worry about it going anywhere. Left or right. $13, can't beat that. I think I'm gonna get this. I don't have a coupon for this one, but I have to go with this here. So I'm thinking if they still have these here, it's only $8. Now at Home Depot, they're like $15. I get these in the metric, should be okay. But I'm not gonna have the socket here, I know that. So let's see if I can find these somewhere here. Alright, after some poking around, I need 3/8 metric, 6-piece set. 6-piece set. Alright. See, the problem is here they don't sell single sockets like Home Depot, so I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot. All right, so that was a successful trip. The only question is all this gonna fit in my backpack? I hope it does. Thinking this box wasn't gonna be that big. I'm hoping it'll slide down in there. Man, perfect fit. Can't get any better than that. I'll tell you what. So we got that stuff. I got the wheel chalk. I got the metric kit that I need. So from there, Home Depot to get the open-ended wrench and the socket wrench. I should be good to go. Really curious how this is going to turn out as far as the audio goes with this exhaust. I mean, it sounds good, it's just loud, it's so loud. Not that loud as that, but when it drones inside the helmet, I mean, I think these things just look so badass when they're stretched and lowered. I mean, the stunting stuff's cool. I don't know. I'm just not into all that stunting and all that. All the wheelies and all. I mean, it's cool stuff. I mean, not knocking it. It's just not my thing. And I know this bike. There's gonna be people who are like, "Why are you stretching this bike out? It's a 125. It goes 55 miles an hour. Why do you want to do that?" I mean, it's like a waste of money. The bike's like $3 grand. You're spending, thousands of dollars more trying to put a stretch kit in, put a fat wheel kit in. Like, why do it? Like, I just want to do it. I mean, why not? I mean, it is what it is. I think it's fun, man. It's just a cheap little bike, cruise around town, get a whole bunch of them together, cruise, and there you go. The looks that this bike gets, everybody always looks, everybody always smiles, especially when you got the little horn on, little bicycle bell. And you can't see my helmet right now. I gotta get a front-facing GoPro set up on this thing, but I got like this, I got an Icon Airflight, so it looks cool. It makes it look like I should be riding some bike that goes 200 miles an hour. And I got the Battle Scar one, so it's like that cool green with like a gold face shield, very video game. Like I'm ready to go on like a bug hunt out in outer space somewhere. So it looks great. It totally doesn't match the bike I'm on, which I think is what I was going for. Yeah, I could get some little helmet. A buddy of mine, Pete, who actually gave me these side mirrors, my barber, Pete the barber, if you in the area, Westchester area. So he gave me this stuff and put the mirrors on, got rid of the other ones, was cool, but he has a open face helmet. It's like a little Scully helmet, like a, you know, a Harley dude would wear or whatever. And it totally fits his style because he's got like a big beard, long hair, so it works. It works for him. Anybody that sees these videos that are in the Downingtown area and it got a Grom, you got to reach out because I need people to ride with. Got to get some Groms. I mean, yeah, we got full-size bikes. I know people that got full-size bikes, but you get the Grom squad together. Last summer, I saw a bunch of dudes. There was 3 dudes on Groms just riding through town, and I was like, I need a Grom. Like, I always wanted a Grom. I mean, how fun is it just ride around with a couple dudes on Groms, get a whole crew together? I'm telling you. So let's get into Home Depot here. Need 36. 36 millimeter socket. Yeah, this thing is 10 bucks? Holy shit, I didn't realize it was a 1/2 inch. But, oh well. This is gonna be for taking off, when I'm doing my bars, to loosen up the front forks. I feel like it's just better than getting a wrench. 13 millimeter wrench. Huh. Of course. You know what? I was mistaken. I need a 10 millimeter. I need a 10 millimeter wrench. Well, I thought it was 13, but I need a 10 millimeter. So luckily, it looks like it's the last one and it was in the wrong bin. So, got that. I can't believe this thing is $10. Well, successful trip. You know, it was after I made my purchase, right before I left, I noticed that Home Depot also sold like single socket hex bit adapters. So I just bought that little 6-piece set. It was like, what, $7 or whatever. I could have just bought the one I needed and it'd been $2, but I don't know, whatever. And I can't believe that damn 36 millimeter socket was 10 bucks. Now granted, I didn't realize it was a 1/2 inch drive instead of 3/8. Damn, man. Bet you if Harbor Freight sold singles like that, probably would have been half the price, $5. So now we're gonna head back, head home. I'm not gonna have time to do any of the install stuff today, but it's just a beautiful spring day here in Pennsylvania. I mean, it's like 70 degrees this afternoon. So I'm gonna get out and ride and try out this moto vlog setup. I hope it turns out good. I hope that the audio is fine with the exhaust droning the way it is. They tell me, they say, yeah, we know they're out of stock. There's been a high demand. I'm like, how all of a sudden is there such a high demand on GoPro mics? Like, did you guys only make like 1,000 of these things and then all of a sudden like they sold out? But the lady tells me that they're aware of the supply issues, but there is no actual time frame for a re-release. So they don't even know when they're going to be making them. This is GoPro we're talking about here. You're telling me that they can't tell you when they're going to be making more of these things? I love that bell. Tell you what, it's just a nice day for a cruise around Downingtown. I'm also not sure about these particular bar end mirrors. There's somebody, Pete, he gave them to me because he ended up going with the circle ones that are popular. And to be honest with you, I was into the circle ones as well, but he was like, he wasn't using these, and he was like, you know, try them out. They're not bad. They just, I mean, these things probably end up getting the circle ones. I don't know, these aren't bad. I like the way I have them set up off to the side like that. But I think the circle ones, you know, they'll come up a little higher. They'll be like up here. I won't have to try to search as much, but I mean, they are sleek. I do like the way they just kind of poke out. But all right, guys, been a quick video here.